I'm Chris Bannerman from Central Coast 3D Printing. So as a commercial 3D printer, we print with a lot of resins from a variety of manufacturers. Monocular 3D's new TENSILE resin is proving to be a game changer. And so far we've found the TENSILE to be one of the best resins we've ever used in terms of its green strength coming straight out of the machine. I think the advantages of the TENSILE resin over the others, it's very strong, it's dimensionally stable, it's able to print very fine features. The strength post-cured is very high. We've tested it in a number of industrial applications and it's proven to be higher quality than any other one we've used. So the green strength is the strength of the part, the hardness of the part as it cures in the machine. This is important because it maintains the structural integrity of the part you're printing, particularly when there's large support areas. So we find the adhesion to the build plate is excellent. So far we've had no issues with large flat pieces, thin pieces, very large solid pieces. They've all adhered very well and they've also come off very well because that green strength means the part does not distort whatsoever when you go to move it off the plate. It feels good, it comes out feeling very solid and very stable. There's no flexibility in the part when it comes off the bed, and that's a major plus for us. So we find placing supports in other resins we need to add more supports and also bracings to make sure they stay structurally sound. With this resin we find we can use less supports and thinner supports because the supports are actually quite strong in the first place. The supports come off easily, they just snap away. We'll be using TENSILE resin in any application where we need a great deal of strength. We do a lot of industrial parts that are large solid pieces up to 30 centimetres in size. And these need to stay structurally sound during the printing process and in post-processing. We've used a range of resins from a large number of manufacturers trying to find the best resin to use for most of our projects. We print a lot of large resin pieces, a lot of solid resin pieces, and so far the TENSILE resin has proven to be the go-to resin for those, and it ticks all the boxes that we require for a quality resin.